ideas were selling, but this was so crucial that it's very important to everyone. It's a healthy idea, and the idea is all about creating awareness, whereby our app has few pages. Those are 3 pages. One is for the team of facilitators.
Yes. Yes, good afternoon.
Put it closer.
Put it closer.
Put it closer. Close. Close enough to your mouth.
Good afternoon. This is Mr. Demba. I'm part of this team who made this wonderful app.
Okay.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Nakazimas, a part of this medical app.
Yeah, keep that mic closer. The doctors you see, I'm part of facilitators.
So, starting off with our presentation. I don't know.
Oh, you don't know how to operate. No, I'm not on Zoom. This is just the mouse, but look the other side with the cursor. Yeah. Yeah.
So, first and foremost,
One person can sit, and then
yes, most of the ideas were selling, but this was so crucial that it's very important to everyone. It's a healthy idea, and the idea is all about creating awareness, whereby our app has few pages. Those are 3 pages. One is our homepage. It shows you a professional look of the metrics. It has our aim. So our aim of coming out with this project was to create health awareness. Yes, we understand, we know going to the hospital is necessary, but creating that awareness that before I even get money to go to the hospital, I'm aware about something. You get it? So our aim is to create health awareness with our mission offering specialized health care with passion. So you will realize as we go on with our app, we try to list for you the different specialists in the different fields in the medical section. That's why we are doing offering. Let's go back to the home. That's why we are saying our mission is offering specialized health care with passion, and our vision is to meet patients' health need. We do not want you to meet a specialist who's not conversant in the part, but rather meet the right person. So let's go to the awareness page. So in the awareness page, we chose some few sections. For example, the first section is about the heart disease. These are few common diseases. So it's about the heart disease. It highlights a few causes, high blood pressure, tiredness, and everything. And it gives you some, together for people who can't read or people who can't see. A person who can't see can be able, someone that can play the video and is able to click from the video by hearing. So that was about the heart disease. Scroll. So this was about the babies. There is a video clip also together for the other version of the community, but on the explanations, early premature things, if you have, let me say like raping, it has the many outcomes, it can cause premature birth, like the very many different descriptions as you can see. Then we also talked about cancer. Cancer is becoming something common today. And with awareness, you can be able to switch on to the awareness part and search for treatment in advance. The earlier the better, with the different video clips. Obviously, when you go to the video clip, there are more to take you to different fields you can search more about with the different descriptions. Then, in the doctor's page, remember our mission was to give passion, to create health awareness with passion. So, let's look up. So we get like a few doctors with a different specialists. For example, Dr. Mugisha, a specialist in heart. You can, if let me say you're searching on the page and here you want to access a specialist about the heart diseases, you could go and you could email the doctor, or if you feel interested, you could reach out. Though we didn't make the email go direct to the doctor because it would be kind of inconveniencing to have 1,000 emails, but we made it that the email goes to the station of the orthopedics and we can help you contact that doctor rather than bothering the doctor, because in a day 50 people can bother him, but we would make a schedule for you through our services. Yes, so why we came out with the Opus Medics as the title. One thing we considered is that creating awareness, if we say it's like an awareness page, someone might look at the app and people are biased about awareness. So we thought it twice that if we say awareness, someone might. For your own information, Opus Medics is also the name of the app. So as when you're installing the app, or if you're on your Play Store and you're trying to access the app, it might be of bias if you see an app called awareness, because we really know in our trend, we don't like things that take our time trying to educate us. But if you see medic something, you might, and you're having, maybe you're not been feeling well of recent, you could say, let me visit this. Instead, when you visit the thing, you find some awareness, and it can even help you link to medical services. So that's the main aim why we chose the name dynamic to what we were meaning, because we thought it twice. If we say it's awareness, people might get some bias about it, and we named it Opus Medics. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. A thunderous hand clap for this group.
We clap properly for them.
Properly.
Asante sana. Asante sana. Ongeza tena.
This is my team. Everyone is going to introduce himself. Yeah.
Hello everyone. My name is Mary Shayla Ako, and I'm part of the group team.
Yes, my name is Dennis Mayamala, and I'm glad to be part of this.
Yes, my name is Ogo Charles, and I'm also part of this group.
My name is Mary Samantha, and I'm also part of this group. My name is Laria George, and I'm a team member.
My name is Ronald Swaka, part of this group.
Yeah, as you see this app, we had many ideas at first. There were more than 5, so we decided to go with not the simpler one, but with interest of time, we decided to design this an online shop shoe. Here, we wrote the concept how we would like our app to appear, and we focused on data collection as we all learned, and we decided we fed the data into the system so that it appears as you see here. Our area of interest, we wanted to save time for people. In case you want shoe, you don't first browse computers. We are seeing many online shops here in Uganda, they almost sell everything. So we wanted to specialize. In case you want shoes, you just know that bonus steps will provide you with shoes, regardless of what age or what gender. That's why we came up with this app. And we agreed that we shall fix prices to enable someone to budget well. Yes. Why it is called the bonus app? We believe that if you buy two, you can win for yourself one. So it is also a marketing part of it. Yeah, we are going to browse this through. As you see, we went ahead to name these shoes depending on the final consumer. In case you want for the child, you just click there and you get and the price. In case you want for ladies, and maybe you may not know even the type of shoe that you want to put on, you may not know that name. So we went ahead to search for the names and we included them and the prices so that you can really come prepared to purchase. When you look at those good shoes for men, please don't move around, don't go to where they are just here, you just purchase. You place your order and please you purchase. We also went ahead to look at the login in case. We looked at the login where someone, at least we have your credentials in case. We also, okay, let me first deal with this, the comment section. In case you are satisfied with our products and they are good or they are not good, we would like to leave a comment because any growing company requires comments from clients. So that's why we created this section also. So we also went ahead with the user. We would like to track your records was visited, was logged in, was subscribed, so that we are able to track our performance as far as the market is concerned. From that one, I'm going to stop here. Thank you so much.
Actually get to speak of something that can bring immediate value to what we do. So it's not just an academic, but something that can bring immediate value. One thing I wanted to find out, yes, you might not have done everything that you wanted to do, but I wanted to find out how would you commercialize this app? How would you make money off it? So just a bit.
Okay, as the trainer said that you get a link, you can get a link, for example, we can share. These days we are having many people that we have in the WhatsApp groups and so on. So, we can share the link and go visit to see our products. If someone embraces the product, for example, can lead us to another client, that one is also one way. Then another way is we can promote still our link or our app on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. We have all these social media handles. So we believe that by that we can reach far.
So you can do advertising.
Yes.
Tell us,
You also wanted to add something.
Yes.
actually get to speak of something that can bring immediate value to what we do. So it's not just an academic, but something that can bring immediate value. One thing I wanted to find out, yes, you might not have done everything that you wanted to do, but I wanted to find out how would you commercialize this app? How would you make money off it? So just a bit.
Okay, as the trainer said that you get a link, you can get a link, for example, we can share. These days we are having many people that we have in the WhatsApp groups and so on. So, we can share the link and go visit to see our products. If someone embraces the product, for example, can lead us to another client, that one is also one way. Then another way is we can promote still our link or our app on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. We have all these social media handles. So we believe that by that we can reach far.
So you can do advertising.
Yes. Tell us, you also wanted to add something.
Yes.
Can do it. Yeah, we got basics of how to.
Yeah, it's very
And-
important
and-
because in the end, you don't want to just waste effort in having it up. You want to be able to because so for someone to have to do transaction.
And lastly, still it was an idea in group. Times come when these apps have grown beyond the developers, so we can as well plan to sell it. Maybe Amazon might be there and it's like, oh, there is a great app in Africa, and they buy it from us. And
Now the easier way would be to create accounts for the different shops. So every shop that is selling shoes, they create an account, put their catalog there, and maybe just handle the payments and get some commission off by redirecting traffic to these shops. So this is like a window, so they go to this shop, they like this shoe, they put the order, then you channel that request to the shop. So you're like a middleman, so it's easier that way. Yeah, yeah. But yeah, well done. Yeah, first think of monetization locally before you even think about this. Okay, thank you.
can do it. Yeah, we got basics of how to.
Yeah, it's very
And-
important
and-
because in the end, you don't want to just waste effort in having it up. You want to be able to because so for someone to have to do transaction.
And lastly, still it was an idea in group. Times come when these apps have grown beyond the developers, so we can as well plan to sell it. Maybe Amazon might be there and it's like, oh, there is a great app in Africa, and they buy it from us. And
Now the easier way would be to create accounts for the different shops. So every shop that is selling shoes, they create an account, put their catalog there, and maybe just handle the payments and get some commission off by redirecting traffic to these shops. So this is like a window, so they go to this shop, they like this shoe, they put the order, then you channel that request to the shop. So you're like a middleman, so it's easier that way. Yeah. But yeah, well done. Yeah, first think of monetization locally before you even think about this. Okay, thank you.
Yes, hello. I'm Mohammed Subir from Amazing Bakery.
Good afternoon. Aziz Tami from Amazing Bakery.
Good afternoon. I'm Sam from Amazing Bakery.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Alma Mariana from Amazing Bakery. The reason why we decided to come up with something like this is because, as you know, people get busy. You don't want to have to go to the bakery every day or every time you want something from it. So we decided to come up with an app that would enable us to, you can always order something like Lobo or Jumia food and they'll be delivered to your home. So we decided to specialize in a bakery. Our bakery has a variety of things.
That's fine. So you're not getting
If you want to scroll, you put two hands like this, then slide over it. Okay.
So as you can see, we have a variety of categories. We have the bread section, the cake section, muffins, cookies, drinks, smoothies, anything you want. As you can see, we have a food side and a drink side. We don't want you to chop on your pastries. So you decided to incorporate that. So we do have a variety in case you want bread. You can decide to have white bread, whole wheat bread. Unfortunately, our prices are in dollars, but time will change.
Godfrey,
Hmm?
any chance to change the currency at the back end?
Yeah.
No, we want the currency in the country won't change, but maybe we are targeting a different market currency.
No, you're targeting us.
We are skilling you for our country.
We're still editing the up and down. Yeah, so as you can see, we have chocolate chip muffins, we have banana nut muffins. If you tap on any of them, it gives you a deeper description of what the product entails. For example, the chocolate chip muffins, by the time you order, clearly you've read and you're so interested in the product we have to offer. Just anyways, I think there is a problem with the scrolling, so I can't present as well as I wanted to. But anyways, by the time you read, you guys just listen. Indulge in our scrumptious chocolate chip muffins loaded with rich chocolate chips that melt in your mouth with every bite. By the way, all these words were hand typed. We actually put in a lot of effort pouring our hearts into the product. So just so you know, our things are good. You can go back. So there is a variety of products. We may not scroll to all of them. We have cakes, we have muffins, cookies. If you come to our drinks side, in the interest of time, we aren't able to add in all the drinks we have, but we're supposed to be living healthy. So we are promoting green tea and chai tea and healthy smoothies. And then scroll back down. In case you see something that you like, you can always go to add product. And order. These things actually work. So you can order whenever you want, or whatever you want will be delivered to your doorstep. You don't have to leave the comfort of your home or your office. Everything of very, very good quality will be delivered in time. So in case this actually comes out to be a good app in future, I hope you support us. About us, this is our story, this is how we started out and what our bakery generally has to offer. I told you we deal in deep passion concerning our products. We want to offer you guys the best. You can always contact us on our social media platforms, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Yeah, that's basically all we had for you. Thank you.
So beyond what your restaurant, your bakery does, can another bakery actually be part of your ecosystem? So with that kind of mindset, you go beyond your local offering and then you can get money from people who are operating similar businesses. So it's something that you should always think about. And the other thing is about the social media handles you always put on your apps. Normally, you don't want to drive traffic away from your app. Yes, you might have those social media handles, but make sure that whatever goes in the social media handles is very little, so that you keep getting traffic to where you got it. That's just a little.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Delma from here. Good afternoon. My name is Dr. Rosemary from D&D Fashion. Good afternoon. My name is Nancy.
One gentleman is here.
Yes, so to start right away, our app was created because we wanted to have collection of fashion. And maybe just say, unfortunately or fortunately,
you need the mouse?
Fashion app, we are thinking, hey, that's what we copy them. So anyway, what we have here, we thought of the name D&D because what we give people a variety of choices to make. The difference between our app and their app is they have a particular type of clothes they're giving. They want shoes only. Ours we give a variety of them from As you can see, we have shoes, we have jeans, we have dresses, we have jerseys. We never saw jerseys there, so we also have jerseys of that. Yes. On the catalog we have right here, we have DLB fashion store. Here you get to choose the category that you want to buy the clothes from. The multi-form, here you get to choose also the type of clothes you're going for. Feedback and contact, I think my colleagues will.
You do this.
As our control will take us to, you've seen. So we have jeans, we have shoes, any type of shoes you want, you will get it. We also have feedback here because we wanted to interact with our clients as well. To tell us how.
Let her sit there. She knows how
the
to.
product is, either is good or you want us to improve on it. We shall do that. We also have contact. In case you want to reach us, you can. You can show them. Yes, as you can see, you want to call us, you can call us, email us, or text us. The main thing we're looking at is having our clients have a variety of things to choose from. So that if you find, for example, you find an application, Jumia has a lot of things. The difference between us and Jumia is we want it more close to our customers, that relation, customer-client relation. We want to have that. Yes, because due to time, we want to add some things, but this is all we have managed to come up with. For the feedback section, please show them. Yes, feedback, you can comment anything here to tell us how you want us to improve anything, the catalog, or the color, or the options you want us to add there. You want us to add some bling blings, you want watches, you want specs, you want anything you'd like, we'll really add it in there. Thank you so much. It's good to see you.
Asante
Prof.
sana. Asante sana. Ongeza tena.
Okay. Like desktop apps or enterprise applications. They target a certain niche. They target a certain client base. So you still try to scope this to a small functionality as possible so that you don't overwhelm the user. The moment you try to do what they call a Swiss Army knife, tries to do so many things but nothing done well, so you won't have a few issues. The other issue is when you're looking at apps that display products, the size of products, the visual, very important. So, for example, never clutter your display like this. Because while you're displaying it, you want someone to take interest in it, say, I open. Say, okay, this is what I want. So you rather have this and have two other views of it. That's something someone can see the shoe at front, or maybe a model putting it on, then they can talk. I think that shoe is good. So that helps a lot. And maybe this was a general comment on apps that have front ends. Whenever you develop an app that has a front end, you should always strive to develop a back end that manages the inventory of it. Yeah, so that when a product is let's say purchased, put in a cart, someone pays for it, it gets off your inventory. So in a sense, get to do two things: display the products, but also manage a bit of the inventory at the back. It doesn't have to be a complicated inventory management system like that, but it helps you so that you don't have to keep running two different applications, just both things, but things are still displayed. They bought things, but you don't know who bought the things and stuff like that. So that's just a bit for most products that most apps that have shopping windows, inventory management. You have a question or an addendum? Yeah, you guys can go.
That's not.
Just happy for the team.
Okay.
Hello everyone. I want to take this opportunity to thank our lead trainers, especially Jeffrey. Thank you very much for taking us through the training. I think all of us have gone with an extra skill wherever we're going back to. We've gone with an extra skill. You know, we're always out there. Maybe some of us are unemployed and like we're doing nothing. But when you call us up here and you give us extra knowledge, it helps us and guides us in our next journeys of life. Now, if I get employed in a company and I go with these skills, I can be able to develop an app for the organization or for our company or develop anything for them and it will guide me and it will help me grow with the company. So I want to thank you very much. We've learned a lot, haven't we? Yeah. So let's clap for him. It's been very good. We've actually not been with only Geoffrey, we've been with Livingstone. Thank you very much for the training. And we want to thank you for organizing this. Dr. Thank you very much for organizing this. We've really learned a lot. Like I was telling them, it's an extra skill to us, and it will help us as we go out of here. I've met so many people. We've interacted with each other, and each of us has been sharing with each other like what we do. And someone during breakfast was telling me, you should concentrate on ICT and stuff. It is going to help you. It's going to help you. You should actually. It was actually telling me to do a diploma, and they're telling me there is an extra class. You can do a diploma online, and they can give you a certificate. Because where we're going right now, we need ICT a lot, as a skill. We need it a lot. So thank you very much. I've met so many people, and we're so grateful as a team. Thank you.
Daman. You guys are going to see yourself on YouTube. Mm.
No, this one you can just leave it counter.
Where are we going to source it? From the online library. We can make very many online. We can lead, we can outsource from Google. We have very many others we can even try content writer and sometimes so you can easily write content and write alone. So
Maybe they do not do the use of the app. So usually the purpose of this differs. Like say depending on the
Yeah, but still, all that goes back to post adoption. So, of course, like I said, yes, I'll agree with you to some extent, but also, as the owner, as the programmer, as the citizen developer, you should make sure that this kind of application that you come up with is able to address something pressing in the society. And make them like this application. Amidst the bad infrastructure, amidst the high rates of internet, get the point. You realize that slowly by slowly, they will pick up. We have so many people using WhatsApp currently. People are expecting, people are smart. But you will see that at least, let me say, at least 80%, we having access to WhatsApp. At least, yes, yes.
Yeah, maybe just to emphasize what she talked about, and also earlier that adoption of technology is
have a better user experience.
is this the pro version? Yeah, this is pro. Don't worry, once you log in, it will cover.
Yes, doctor.
the connectivity is back.
Mm.
You can inform them. Let them connect to the UNESCO too. Yeah, so that it's
Some of them are using their own.
yes.
Which is not good, yeah. So,
No, I should go there.
this is it will come automatically. Remember, it goes back to that this is like a project. No, I mean, I thought it would pop up. No, because when you convince me that they start, I thought. It's a process. No, it will come back where it
Please help me get this. That's what. But first help me with you as I go into presentation. That is the last time you will see me. So what do we no, just call it the application. Application just AI. No, okay, any name. But since you're going to use it for your own, yeah. What do you call it like your own name? Yeah, I have to like it's good. Yeah, because the way I've been eating here, send the email. Yeah, I'm going to go and buy one. So you are saying
Where is the email?
we'll throw it away.
That shows you
places where we might come up with something which can locate the
Now that is on. Now with interest of time. Yes.
So we select.
Yes. We select which one. However, these are all good things we need to replace this with. We can develop now look at students. This is a router. So the one.
And then these three bakery skills first in terms of
Maybe check the website before that.
I guess that's a wise one.
So from that, I write it down.
this current one was
that you could create an Excel table, and the Excel can be in .csv. CSV is command separated. Is it necessary? I mean, complicated in Excel. Yeah, just Excel. Okay. .csv, .xls. Okay. But you can create this in just in Excel if you have session, then you put the sessions which are there. You outline the session. The time, what time is it starting? What time is it stopping? Okay? The end time. The duration, how many minutes are they going? Like you check it out of those forms. Okay? Then, who is the guest speaker? And then the link to the speaker. If you have a data like that, then it's easy. You can import it. Light will create for you the app for you. Because apps based on the data. And the data derives the database. Are we together? Okay. So now we are going to the next thing. I hope you're writing them logically. Because that's the same, we are going to iterate over that process. Iterate means we are going to loop or something like that. Okay, so if you could take a screenshot of this, but I may give you some data. Now let's go to the next thing. Appearance. Click show me. So the next thing you go to what? Appearance. Now, what it says, it has even shown you where you should go for appearance. Now, in the appearance is where when you go to setting, then you come to appearance. Then you choose the color. You are now in control. Privacy control. Don't worry even if you have missed this today. There's going to be a recap tomorrow. And the beauty is, when you go to my master class, you find a complete tutorial on lighting.
Where there is subscription.
No, I don't. I like doing free services. I told you my business model is different. Give people free services. Yeah, I'm not after money. Because after all, I am on my own, alone. There's nothing attached to me.
6
The way
minutes.
you see me, everything.
6 minutes sleep.
6 minutes sleep. I die with everything. And I'm so, by the way, I'm very keen. Even my barrier wanted to be anonymous. Unmarked brave. Like I want to leave a legacy of Steve Jobs. But I'm doing that. I want to create an innovation, not for innovation. No point like this man was buried where. The only thing I was here carrying in my wallet is my card to AA. Is it A plus? Whenever I die, A plus. The first person they call is A plus. Come and do another plus. Yeah, but the problem with genius people, sometimes that's how they think. And they make it happen. So this is what happens here. So you can choose the color. Let's pick the color. I'm just going to make it easier. So you go to setting, okay? Then it brings you here. The name of the icon, okay? What you could upload a photo here, logo, all this, your description of your app. You can do this. Event planning, okay? So this is going to be easier. Then you come to appearance. I've just shown you the first one, name and icon. If you have an icon, you just click on upload. I have my icon here. So that is the icon that you will be remembering. Yeah, that is my icon. Nothing on it, but there's a lot of meaning there. I can explain to you. It's about video, living in a global world. There are so many things. Then these dots, all my life I've been trying to connect the dots, but the dots have grown big and I'm failing to connect. This is one important thing. Yeah, just like the Apple the Apple logo. You see, the Apple they took one bite and there's a lot of hidden meaning in that. You know that? Yeah. So that's how we play around. We don't write the logos. Okay, so that's what you do if you have a logo. If you don't know how to create logos, do not pay graphic designers any money. You are your own graphic designer. Go to a website called Canva. You can do canva.com. Create very good slides. You see these beautiful slides I use here. I made a name on Canva or Pitch. Canva, let me help you. I'll type it here. I'm going to give you a lot of knowledge for free. Okay. So it's there, canva.com. Don't pay any graphic designer any money.
presentation, video editing, everything for free. You don't have to waste money. These days, you rather donate that money and give it to someone who doesn't have what to eat. Let them think outside the box. We are here to remove the jobs from them. Do not, if you still pay a graphic designer in this era, you have not learned. There's what they call learn and learn, something like that. You know. Yeah. So here, you make all your presentation. Beautiful slides. And avoid using animation. Things for babies in your slides. No. Make it, slide is for people to what? To read and follow. Don't start bringing animations like cinematic kind of a movie. No. Not necessary. Let it be professional. And the best is to put it into here.
Or maybe they do not do the use of the app. So usually the purpose of this differs. Like say depending on
Yeah, but still, all that goes back to post adoption. So, of course, like I said, yes, I'll agree with you to some extent, but also, as the owner, as the programmer, as the citizen developer, you should make sure that this kind of application that you come up with is able to address something pressing in the society. And make them like this application. Amidst the bad infrastructure, amidst the high rates of internet, get the point. You realize that slowly by slowly, they will pick up. We have so many people using WhatsApp currently. To go as a smart. But you see that at least, let me say, at least 80%, they have having access to WhatsApp. At least, yes, yes.
Yeah, maybe just to emphasize what she talked about, and also earlier that adoption of technology is
or maybe they do not do the use of the app. So usually the purpose of this differs. Like say depending on
Yeah, but still, all that goes back to post adoption. So, of course, like I said, yes, I'll agree with you to some extent, but also, as the owner, as the programmer, as the citizen developer, you should make sure that this kind of application that you come up with is able to address something pressing in the society. And make them like this application. Amidst the bad infrastructure, amidst the high rates of internet, get the point. You realize that slowly by slowly, they will pick up. We have so many people using WhatsApp currently. To go as a smart. But you see that at least, let me say, at least 80%, they have having access to WhatsApp. At least, yes, yes.
Yeah, maybe just to emphasize what she talked about, and also earlier that adoption of technology is, but everyone looks forward to being part of the technology ecosystem in a sense. I'll give you an example. I first saw the first mobile phone in 1994. Some of you have heard one. I was very amazed. I was this gentleman, he had a big phone, rich guy. We were at school. And this guy, imagine how many rich people was even talking. Now imagine 1994. The telcos have just come in the country. And this guy had a phone. We looked up to him. Couldn't get a phone. You know, everyone did. My friends don't have phones. You don't have phone number, so why do I need a phone? I remember I acquired my first phone in 1999 actually. But I think I had like 3 contacts there. And then in those days you didn't have to buy which we call service fee.
You call
You
yourself?
pay network. You know, before you even make a call, you pay to be on the network. Yes, it was very expensive. 20 years, don't actually not 20 years. Maybe 15 years after that. Everyone has a phone in their pocket, all in their drawer, whatever it is. So what I'm trying to put across here is that we should stop looking at these barriers as things that are going to stay forever. Things like connectivity, internet connectivity. Internet connectivity is going to keep growing. So you don't develop your applications and you think about the guy who doesn't have a phone. That's a wrong market. Think about the guy who is going to acquire a phone. Think about the guy who knows how to use WhatsApp or who aspires to use WhatsApp. That will give you some bit of leverage in using these technologies, but also to think ahead, because that's where we're heading. People are heading in there. We used to think about internet. Internet used to be very expensive, but now we have it in homes, unlimited. You Netflix, you put Xbox there, you let your kids blow the taps. It's now like everywhere. In few homes, but just a matter of time that all homes are. At least the urban homes are going to have this internet available and accessible. So that should be your mindset when you think about solutions that are commercial. Think ahead, be a bit visionary, look ahead. And you look at the guy who can't even read. I mean, people who can't read are becoming fewer and fewer. So don't give up for them. Forget them. They will come on board. All their kids will come on board. Thank you.
A round of applause.
Thank you, Doctor. Thank you so much. That's qualification.
We can do better than that. One more time.
Yes, any other group?
That is the system developers. It is high time they started looking for other things, because if if this training is here now, I'm seeing that it is now going to address the problem. Those people who have been looking for them to start to design for them a system, because right now those people who have had their brilliant ideas, they are going to start coming up with their own systems, just because many people have been selling their ideas to those system developers. And I'm not sure that system developers, they don't have the ideas, but our own ideas are the ones that they use, and they come up with something which is better. But right now, we are here to address the problem.
Thank you.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. Tomorrow is going to be the training day for our workshop, which is going to be at Matters Way Tinder at NVTI Conference Center, and that is the lab that we are going to be training our participants in low code or no code platform. I'll be the one taking the practical session on low code and no code with our popular platforms Glide, and we'll be using the paid version of Glide, and then I'll also be training on Bubble and then OutSystems and then Adelo. These are the popular platforms that I use for low code or no code, and I'm also
So
you have organized it very well. This is a well organized.